you're always doing amazing, but talagang today you were unstoppable. Now, Choco Mucho has had its fair share ng challenges this conference, including the Game 1 loss in heartbreaking reverse sweep fashion ng last Tuesday. Today, what do you think really made the difference? Ano yung nag-click sa team, and how did it feel being in the middle of it all?
Sinabi lang ni Coach sa dugout kanina na mag-stick lang kami sa programa niya sa mga play namin. And actually, nag-usap-usap din kami na focus muna kami sa sarili-sarili naming laro. And kung ano man yung mangyayari, hanggat tinatrabaho natin, wala tayong pagsisihan.
Exactly, and definitely worth it, all the hard work. Now let's go back to the game. Kasi talagang intense, pressure-packed moments. We had such long rallies that we witnessed sa game na to. What are you most proud of sa team mo? Sa pinakita ng lahat, kanina you were telling me you want everyone to step up, and that's exactly what you did.
Siyempre, sobrang saya ko kasi despite na sobrang pagod na talaga, pinakita pa rin namin na kaya pa rin namin ipanalo yung game kanina. And mindset lang din kami talaga na kahit anong mangyari hanggat nasa taas yung bola, walang titigil. Hanggat hindi natatapos ng 25, hindi kami titigil, and trinabaho lang talaga namin.
And CC, is there anyone you want to greet? Go ahead, all your fans have been here to support you.
Unang-una po sa lahat sa Ribisco supporters po, sa lahat po ng mga supporters po ng PBL, magandang gabi po. Sa family ko po, sa Compostela, si po, Papa, Mama, ate na nasa Canada, Ate Kayen, belated, and Silda, sa Ribisco Management, Sir Jonathan, ng family, Sir Rolly, Sir Alan, Ma'am Lizanne, Attorney Lily, and sa lahat po ng Ribisco Management, and sa lahat po ng mga family po ng teammates ko, hello po, and sa family ni CJ Sambuanan, and ayun po, maraming salamat po sa support, and ayun, enjoy po.
Job well done, CC Rondina.